Slim Over 55 is the only program for women over 55 that is especially designed for your body who has gone through menopause and needs to get all the hormones back in balance. Take the 4 secret herbs revealed inside our weight loss manual, and do the easy workouts, and you'll triple your metabolism, lose over 3 pounds per week, feel 20 years younger and double your energy level so that you can easily keep up with your grandkids. Dear friend, are you still buying into the myth that once you reach the age of 55, it's impossible to reach your ideal weight or get a flat stomach? Or that a sexy and attractive body with lots of energy is only available to movie stars, supermodels, celebrities and the ultra-rich who can afford expensive personal trainers? Or the only way to shrink your belly after you reach the age of 55 is through costly and risky surgical procedures, such as tummy tucks? Or that having a big belly is an inevitable part of aging, and there's nothing you can do about it? Or that it's too late for you to slim down and look fabulous in a bikini? Hi, my name is Dawn Sterrett, I am 56, and using the secrets Aileen reveals in the Slim Over 55 program, I managed to lose 72 pounds in just 4 months and completely transform my body as you see below. Aileen P. has been a certified personal trainer, nutritionist, author and weight loss expert for over 10 years, and has already helped over 20,000 women reach their ideal weight with her weight loss secrets. Last year, My Personal Trainer magazine has awarded her the Trainer of the Year award because of the amazing results her clients were getting. I am 56 years old now, and I am so proud of my body and the fact that all my family and friends admire me. But I know that I would have been overweight, sick and miserable if I hadn't followed Aileen's guidelines. And because over the next few months, you and hundreds of thousands of women over the age of 55 around the world will be staying inside your homes most of the time, the only option you have is to work out at home. So I convinced my mentor Aileen to join forces and to help you make the best of the next few months and to completely change your body and get slim fast, no matter your fitness level or your age. Effective immediately, we are opening the doors of the Slim Over 55 program. To all women over the age of 55 who want to lose weight, fortify their immune system, increase their energy and look and feel 20 years younger for only $7. Yes, instead of charging you $97, which is what everyone has recommended us to do, we are giving you access to the Slim Over 55 program for a one-time payment of only $7. So that in a few months, people will be shocked at how much weight you've lost and how much you've changed and toned your body. We believe that now is the time to give, so we simply want to give you the Slim Over 55 program without making any profit. Basically, we'll hardly cover our website hosting and maintenance, customer support and payment fees, and advertising costs. For sure we'll lose money over the coming months, but once you and thousands of our clients will start telling everyone how much weight you've lost with our Slim Over 55 program, and how amazing you feel and look, we know that all the women over 55 in the world will want to start our program. And that's when we will charge at least $47 and we'll be really profitable. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to learn the full content. So, if you're just sick and tired of all the bad news on TV and social media, the Slim Over 55 program will provide you a healthy distraction and a drop on the scale every single day until you reach your ideal weight. Each workout video has detailed instructions on how to modify the workout according to your fitness level, so even if you have a health issue or you hardly more, you have no excuse not to get started right now. Aileen launched the Slim Over 55 program to a select group of her email subscribers just a couple months ago, and so far, over 1,000 women over the age of 55 gave us amazing feedback, with over 400 of them having reached their ideal weight. Even though most of them did Aileen's easy and short at-home workouts only 3 times a week, they are losing 3 pounds a week easily. You have to understand something. Yes, there are so many workouts out there, but the Slim Over 55 workouts are the only ones that are especially designed for your body, which has gone through menopause and needs to get all the hormones back in balance. If you're doing the wrong kind of workouts, you'll end up damaging your body, taking it completely out of balance. But with the Slim Over 50 workouts, no matter what shape you're in or how old you are, you'll quickly burn fat, double your energy, lose many dress sizes and reach your ideal weight, despite what you've been led to believe. Each workout video has detailed instructions on how to modify the workout according to your fitness level, so even if you have a health issue or you hardly more, you have no excuse not to get started right now. Many women just like you reached their ideal weight after having lost over 13 pounds per month. Anne is a 58-year-old grandmother from California. She was in such a bad shape that she couldn't exercise when she started. All she did in the first 10 days was following the Slim Over 55 meal plan, and she doubled her energy level. Then, she started doing our Slim Over 55 workouts and she lost 13 pounds in that first month anyway. Then, in her second month, she started doing our more advanced workouts, and she lost 73 pounds in 7 months, and all her family was amazed. Linda is a 60-year-old lady from New York. She had a great start and lost 13 pounds in the first 2 weeks of being on the Slim Over 55 program. She started many weight loss programs in the past, and even though she was doing fine the first few weeks, she always hit a plateau and her weight stopped dropping, making her quit and gain it all back. So she was afraid that she would hit a plateau again. But because of the Slim Over 55 program, for the first time in her life, she continued to lose weight. In fact, in her second month she lost 15 pounds and in her third month, she lost 14 pounds and 2 months later, she reached her ideal weight after having lost 74 pounds. Her life changed as she started dating again and she's in an amazing relationship with a 10 years younger man. Look, we could show you more testimonials from our grateful clients, all women over the age of 55, who came to us after being duped by other fat-burning programs and weight loss gimmicks that delivered no results. Slim Over 55 program is the only fat-burning method that worked for them and helped them reach their ideal weight fast and easily. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to learn the full content.